log into facebook.com, Facebook login or sign in steps. So if you want to log in or sign into your facebook.com account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the Facebook app. Now whether it's facebook.com or the app doesn't really matter, just go to the login page. Now over here you simply have to make sure to enter your mobile number or the email address associated with your Facebook account. Then once done, you also need to make sure to enter your password. If you don't know what password you typed, you can tap on this little eye icon on the right hand side, then tap on the login button. If you happen to forget your password, then you can tap on the forgotten password option there in order to also reset your password. But to give you a basic idea, this is how you can log into facebook.com. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.